We'll guide you through how to see mature content on Telegram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Telegram, and so you're wanting to be able to go and see mature content. We're going to guide you through how you can go and start seeing it. There's a setting on Telegram which is going to go and filter out sensitive content, also known as mature content. So what we can do is go and change this so we're going to be able to go and start seeing it. So you may have gone through the settings on Telegram itself. You can go just switch at the bottom there, but you're finding you're not able to go and find the setting which is going to allow you to go and see it. This is because we can't actually do it in the app itself. So what we need to do is come out of the app, and then what we're going to need to do is go and open up a web browser. I'm on an iPhone, so I use Safari, but you can use Chrome. On an Android, it doesn't matter. Now tap on the web address bar at the bottom, and what you need to do is go and type in web.telegram.org, and you can then go to this here. Now you can go and choose the country. You can see mine's already got the United Kingdom selected. And then what you can do is go and enter in the phone number for your Telegram. If you're trying to go and find this, come to settings on Telegram and scroll to the top, and you'll go and see it at the top. Now go and type this in. After you've entered your number, a code is going to be sent in Telegram. So what you want to do is go and return to Telegram, and you can come back to the chats, go and type it in, and then we've now successfully signed in, as you can see. So now what we need to do is go and head to the settings in Telegram on the web. So press the three lines in the top left, go down and press settings. Scroll down, and what you need to do is you need to go and find the option for privacy and security in here. Now what you need to do is go and scroll down, and here we've got the option for sensitive content, aka mature content. And what you need to do is make sure you select display filtering. So to go and enable this, you then need to go and verify your age. So I'll go and press verify my age. That's it. Now media that contains content suitable only for adults will go and be shown and not hidden.